Hey y'all! Well, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my Erin Condren day planner that I got for this year. I dropped the box, and so this is what I got. Well, I unboxed it. It's a real pretty turquoise and white decorated outer box, and so just so I didn't have to carry the box up, I just brought the content and it slid and came apart. But this is what it looks like. She has a very nice outer piece that she gives, and tissue paper. I just knocked something. It's just tissue paper, but it's a nice gold touch, pretty, and she puts her little signature thingy on it, a little sticker. You know, so she's about stickers. I'm gonna throw that away now. All right, so what did I get? Well, I first of all got the day planner itself, so let me show you that. This is the cover I picked too. I hope it speaks to you. This is what it says. You are entirely up to you. And I needed that for some accountability this year from myself to myself. And so it comes, they always have this on there. This is just a place marker. It's a ruler, so that's helpful to have handy. There's a protective film on it that you take off. I'm not going to do that right now. But anyway, you take this off. It's removable. And then you put it on each day or week or whatever you're on. So it's your place marker. But then, of course, y'all have seen these before, but it's got the months. So it's got at the front, they give you this little pouch, has just some little cards, stickers, another little page marker that you can put in there if you want to. And this little card shows everything that you got inside. So that's what you actually got. Compliment cards, 3 a day. Wouldn't it be nice to have 3 compliments a day? 3 cards that are compliment cards to encourage others. 2 cards that are family and friend discounts to get 20% off if I want to give them to people. 2 gift labels, like to put on a label, and then 1 quill clip, just as like a clip-in memory holder place. So that's what that comes with. And then you have your little erasable board right there at the front. You have this little vellum piece to kind of protect it, and then, you know, this piece where you can put, you know, that it's your day planner. Some little quotey pages, and then it has a 2018-19 calendar, and then just kind of like a note page. Hold on, let me show you. Some planning. So this is just, you know, you may want to sit down for an hour when you first get one and just write down what you've got planned for the year, some motivational things to kind of round you out for the year. And then each tab has a monthly, and then after that you have the weeklies. Now you can use stickers here, or you can just write in it. It does not matter. I in the past have done a lot of stickering. It's expensive, time consuming, but it's sort of like any hobby, like people who like to cross stitch, or people who like to knit, or people who like to what is it called when you make books with pictures? I can't think of the word, but anyway, y'all are probably all saying it and I just can't hear it. But anyway, it can be peaceful for you to just sit there and like make art with stickers. So I do like that, but I don't know that I'm going to make myself commit to having to do that every week. So then in the back you have a place for contacts, which is nice to have handy. It's only a couple of pages, it's not overwhelming, and some stickers that she gives you. Birthday stickers, to-do stickers, reminders, little picture stickers, just stuff like that. That's not very many, because the sticker business is what a lot of people are doing on Etsy, is sticker business. There's another whiteboard on the back. The only thing about that is when you write on it, I feel like when the page closes, it kind of wipes it off. Plus, I don't want to have to keep that specific kind of writer handy if I just need a pen. They also include this. This is celebrate someone or something every single day, and all this is a annual calendar. It doesn't matter what day of the year. It just gives you the days, and you just put everybody's birthday in. And this can go from year to year so that you don't keep it in any one year, and you can use it to add back people on the calendar every year, and I do find that to be helpful. Okay, so you saw my first cover. I also ordered some additional covers, so let me show you those. I ordered this one. Hold on. They've got them turned inward so you can't see them, so let's see. Hold on. And I might trade them out. Matter of fact, I may actually trade this one out because it kind of looks New Year's-y. It's that black, gold, white, gray. They spelled my name right? They did. And then it comes with the back. And of course, it has that little piece. And then for Christmas time, I always do like one. Now, I have some other ones, and they are, you can remove them and put them on just like these. From last year, the llama one and the Bloom Where You're Planted sunflower one. This one's going to be for around Christmas time just because it's kind of Christmas colors in a plaid, and I just think that's really pretty. I did choose the gold quill this year, so I think that'll be pretty too. Because last year I chose silver, I believe. Okay, then another thing that I got is this is a designer sticker book. I have never seen her version of this before, so let me just open this. Let's just get in there. Because usually I order from Etsy, you know, so let's see. This is what it looks like. And these are just little stickers you could put on to kind of draw attention to things. So let's just see what the sticker, so it's a little book, so you can keep it handy, like in your briefcase or something. Hello, lovely, make yourself proud, be your own kind of beautiful, you're one of a kind. So those are cute, but these are more like check mark, break, and you know, kind of to single out something specific. I'm actually surprised that I got this one. Make it happen, note to self, happy birthday, you know, just little things to kind of signify hello weekend, let's celebrate, lots of those date nights, hello sunshine, XO. So some of it's just for pretty, and some of it is to draw attention to maybe something you put on the calendar that you don't want to miss, like just little flags like that are helpful. And there's a couple of pages of each one of them, and these are just, you can put these right near the coil and kind of make it prettier. There's a few little mottos on here. It says, create, be brave, motivate, be you, inspire, be strong, create, be brave. It goes over and over. Live, love, dream, believe. Live, love, dream, believe. So that's cute. And let's see. And then these are just like little exclamation points, dollar signs. Maybe you'd put that on there for payday. Stuff like that. So I'd ordered that. I'm not sure if I got the value I expected from that, but it's nice to have. And then I went ahead and tried her stickers, and I can already tell you I don't think they're the same quality as when I order from people on Etsy. That's very pretty. I love that. Matter of fact, I chose that pattern for a cover last year, so that's why I tried that. But it doesn't have but like 4, and there's 7 days in a week for these check-off things. So I'm like, what were you thinking? And there's not even 5. There's only 4. Because I thought maybe it's just because, but some people use these like sporadically. They don't use it daily. And then these are for the bottom, where you can write, or you can just cover it up and just make the page pretty. And I did the same thing with this. So I ordered 2 of those. And I can say the quality of them is not near the sticker quality of what I get from like the Glam Planner or the Classy Planner, or there's a bunch of them that I use, and I like theirs better. But she's not really in the sticker business, in all fairness. That's not really her thing. And then last but not least, I ordered myself some personal stationery, and it came in a very nice box. And let's see, hope they got it right. So it came with the actual cards, they're stationery note cards, and then an envelope. And this, because y'all know my colors are hot pink, orange, and white with gold trim. And so this was like a cheetah hot pink and orange, so I ordered that and my name. And so that's just a note card that I can send a note to somebody, because sometimes you don't want a card with a bunch of writing. You want to be the one to write it. And it's just, let's see what the envelope looks like. I think it's just gold. Well, they're tied in here, I'll tell you that. I think you get 25. I think this is gold. Yeah, see, it's gold. It's pretty. And then for closure, they do have stickers, just little asterisk stickers, you know, when you close it on the back, just to have a finished look. So this is just mainly to have a very finished look when I send a note card to someone. And you can use note cards for birthday or for celebration, or if somebody's going through a tough time and you want to encourage them, you can use a note card for that. It doesn't, I almost like that better than a pre-made Hallmark card. I just kind of like that it's personally for me, it's my actual stationery, which I chose a stationery to be a card, like a postcard almost. But anyway, it's cardstock, heavy cardstock. So that's one thing I wanted to show y'all. And then I think I've got time to show you one other thing. Real excited about having my Erin Condren again, to be honest. I felt like it was too big last year, but then I really missed it. I missed the organization of having that particular planner, because I had another planner, but I just felt like I didn't use it the same way. So this is the Italo jewelry that I order sometime, and they always have such a nice presentation inside. They always have a cleaning cloth or a polishing cloth. They give you your order on the card. Where's my order? There. That's my order on a nice little cardstock. Isn't that nice? And then they give you information about them and what's the best way to take care of your jewelry. And then they have important things to know, like return, authorization, exchange information, stuff like that. And then they have contact information on a card. So all of that is sitting in the box when you open it. Now, this is a pre-done bow stuck on there. It used to be something you wrapped on, now it's stuck on, and I feel like that is a very nice presentation, especially if you gifted this to someone. It's magnetic, close your box. When you open it, all that's right on the top. And then look how nice this is. That is a very nice presentation. This is not that expensive. So, I was impressed. The ring comes in a very nice, satinized, silver logo ring box, and this is the ring I got. Now some of y'all have seen I have something very similar right here, but because of the change of my knuckle, I've had to get another one, and so this is the ring. That's the ring. It's very, very pretty. And some of y'all are like, oh my gosh, look at all our diamonds, this is not real. Obviously it's I think it's CZs and white sapphires, but it really is believable. Obviously, my husband's jewelry that he's given me, that is real, those are real. Those are pieces from him. These are not. These are just for fun. I just wanted to show y'all that. And then, because they got the size wrong last time, they sent me an additional pair of earrings, this time little earring studs. And I'd say they're pretty believable. And they did that just to say, hey, don't ship it back. We'll send you an extra pair of earrings and send you the correct size. I was like, that is really excellent service. So I just wanted to tell y'all, Italo is the name. And I do think that they do a good job. And, you know, if you can't afford the real thing, then if you get a good quality fake, I do not have a problem with that. It's not like it's a designer handbag. I mean, it's a fake diamond. Or a fake, it's not a fake, because it's real sterling. It's real, which I like, because it doesn't turn. Now, you do have to polish. That's why they give you a little polishing cloth. You have to polish sterling, or it will tarnish. But it doesn't, like, turn, you know, like Goldfield does. And in the end, if Goldfield's what you want, do that. Do that. So anyway, I just wanted to share with y'all that little kind of unboxings. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. Love you, bye!